You will start with this bishop, you move it right in here. The next move will be with this bishop, you move it right in here. The next step will be to move this rook one step to the right and then move this pawn one step to the front. And the goal of the puzzle is to use the standard chess moves to capture black queen with the knight. This is the assassin puzzle. This puzzle is a part of the chess puzzle series designed by Sherzod Khaydarbekov and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of the assassin puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. This puzzle requires 48 steps to solve it, and that's when you know the exact steps. But if you're solving it first time, you will be probably doing unnecessary moves and end up with at least 100 plus moves to solve the puzzle. If you like the assassin puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. Pawns move only forward, they never go back. The same rule applies in the chess puzzles. Next, we grab this bishop and put it right in here. The next one will be to move this bishop to this empty spot. Then this goes in here. The next one will be this rook one step forward, and then this rook one step forward. The next step will be with this bishop, you move it one step to the right and front. The next one will be with this one, and then you move this bishop right here. This rook, you move it one step to the front, and then you move this pawn one step to the front as well. And here you have to grab this bishop and move it right here, and this one goes right here. And here you will think that you can move the knight right to this spot, but you can try to do that, but that won't be the optimal way to solve the puzzle. The next step will be to move this rook to the right, and then this one goes to the right as well. And here you can move this bishop one step right in here, and you have to free this spot by moving this bishop up here, and this goes down here. Next, we move this rook down, this goes to the right. This is the moment when you can move the knight right in here, and you can move all three rooks up here. The next step will be to move this bishop to this spot, and then this one to this spot. So far, we made 29 steps, but that's not the end. We will continue by moving this bishop right in here, and then move this pawn one step to the front right here. Then you grab the knight and put it right in here. I think that you can already see what we are doing here. We have to move the knight here, then it will go right here, then here, and then it can capture the queen. So now we have to deal with these chess pieces so that we free some space here. So once the knight is right in this corner, we move this one. The next step will be with this rook, and move the bishop right here on top. Then we can move one of the rooks to the side in here. Then this goes here. We can move this bishop here, and this one will go down here. Then you move this rook down here. We move this one here, and we move two bishops here and here. And these were the last complicated steps, since the next steps are quite easy. The knight goes here, then you move this rook and this rook, put the knight right in here, and the last step, you capture the queen, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, quite complicated, since you have to think a few steps ahead and use some kind of a strategy to solve the puzzle. Otherwise, you will end up in a dead end, and you will have to go back and try again. Great puzzle. If you like the assassin puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from the chess puzzle series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.